Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to change Riot account sign-in username. To start the process, open your Safari browser in your PC. Now search here Riot Games. Here, click on Account. From here, you can check your user ID code. Then enter your Riot ID. Enter the tagline. Then click on Save Changes. From here, you can change your username. You can also change your password. Then click on Save Changes. This is how you can change your Riot account sign-in username. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.